So here beta, the climate of India is described as monsoon type of climate, and this type of climate, basically in Asia, this type of climate is found in south and southeast part of Asia. Despite an overall unity in the general pattern, there are perceptible regional variations in climatic conditions within the country. It means that in general way we say that India is having the monsoon type of climate, but despite of this, we find the regional variation in climatic conditions within the country India. So what are the regional variations we have noticed? Let us take two examples, two important elements, that is temperature and precipitation. On the basis of these two components or elements of weather or climate, we will examine how they vary from place to place and season to season. So the first example is given over here. In summer, the mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees centigrade in some parts of the Rajasthan desert, whereas it may be around 20 degree centigrade in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, beta, these are the two states of the same country. In one state, mercury reaches up to 50 degrees Celsius, or in the Pahalgam it remains only 20 degree Celsius. So on a winter night, temperature at a Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as minus 45 degree Celsius. In the same way, Thiruvananthapuram on the other hand may have a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. Now you can see Jammu Kashmir in extreme north, and where the temperature remains in winter night 45 degrees Celsius, and in Thiruvananthapuram, this is the extreme south of the country, where the temperature remains 22 degrees Celsius in winter season. In the same way, let us look at precipitation. These were the two examples of temperature. Now precipitation. What we can see in precipitation, here there are variations not only in the form and types of precipitation, but also in the amount and the seasonal distribution. Yes, when we look with the precipitation or to understand the variation, so it is not only in form. Form means not only in its form, how the precipitation or rainfall is received, even the types and amounts also is variation is noticed. As well as seasonal distribution also. The whole country does not receive the rainfall during the rainy season. So, maximum portion of the country receives rainfall during rainy season, but few parts of the country receives rainfall during winter season. That you will learn in the next topic. While precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of Himalayas, it rains over the rest of the country. Yes, in upper parts or the high altitudes of Himalayas, in what type of rainfall is received? In snowfall. And in rest of the country, we received rainfall in form of water drops. The annual precipitation varies from over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Yes, one part of the country, that is Meghalaya, that is Mawsynram or Cherrapunji, Mawsynram and Cherrapunji, or the state of Meghalaya. This receives 400 centimeter, more than 400 centimeter annual precipitation. On the other hand, within the same country, that is Ladakh and western Rajasthan, receives only less than 10 centimeter rainfall. So this